increase, decrease a number by a certain percentage. In order to do such type of questions, you need to just remember one formula. Then everything will be easy for you, right? Okay, so first let me write down the formula. Okay. And then I will do some examples to make it more clear. So the formula is, if you have the old price, or you can say the original value or the original price, old or the original value is going to multiply by 100 plus when increase minus when decrease, some percent divides 100, that is your new value. So this formula you have to use whenever you have increase or decrease a number by a certain percentage. Okay, now let me apply this formula on different questions and on the word problems as well, right? Okay, so let's say I have an example. Okay, so the first example, let's say I have increase $30 by 40%. Okay, now how do I increase $30 by 40%? Again, we use the formula, right? So the formula is the old value or the original value, which is 30, multiply 100. This is an increase. So for increase, we add some percent, which is 40%, divides 100. That is my new value. Okay, so let me solve this. So we have 30 multiply 140 divides 100. Okay, so the 10 is cancelled with 10, this 10 is cancelled out with that 10. So we have 3 times 14. Let me simplify. 14 goes to 3 times table. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 and 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, right? So the answer is $42. This is the new value. So increase $30 by 40% is $42. Okay, let's do another example. Let's say number 2 is increase $60 by 20%. Okay, all right, so let me do this. $60, this is your original value, multiply its increase, so in 100 we add 20%, divides 100, that is your new value. So 60 multiply 120 divided by 100. Again, 0 goes with 0, this 0 goes with this 0. 6 times 12 would be the simplified answer. So 6 times by 12, let me do it. 12 with 6 times table. 6 times 2 is 12, 1 and 2. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so the simplified answer is $72. So when you increase $60 by 20%, this is $72, right? Okay, so you can see with the help of this formula, every increase and decrease question is very easy, right? Let's do one example with the decrease as well. Okay, so if I have decrease $80 by 25%. Okay, the same thing, $80 is the old or the original value, multiply 100, it is decrease, so subtract some percent over 100, you will get the new value. So 80 multiply 100 for decrease minus 25% divides 100. Okay, so this is 80 times from 100, if you take away 25, the answer is 75 over 100. Okay, let me simplify it. 0 goes with this 0. Now if I cancel it with 5 times table, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 1 is 5, 6 and 7, 2 is left 25, 5 times 5 is 25. Yes. Okay, in the simplified form we have 8 times 15 divided by 2. Again it is simplified. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, right? And this is 4 times by 15. Okay, so if I simplify 4 times 15, 15 and 4 times table, 4 times 5 is 20, 2 and 0, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 8. So that value is $80. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is not 8. Sorry. I messed up. 4 times 5 is 20. 2 and 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 and 6. It's $60. I messed up. Sorry. So when you have decreased $80 by 25%, the price is $60. So now you can see with the help of this formula, every increase and decrease question by a certain percentage is very easy, right? Okay, now let's apply this formula on some word problems, that how do we solve the increase and decrease of a number by a certain percentage. Let's do some word problem questions. All right, so the first question is, in a sale, a shop reduces, reduce means decrease, all its prices by 20%. Find the sale price of a sari that previously cost $44. Okay, now this previously cost means $45 is the old price of that sari, right? So the new price or the sale price, now we can say the sale price is going to be, use the same formula, right? So the new price, new value or the sale price, old or the original value. So the old price of the sari was $44, multiply 100. It's a reduction means decrease, 20% divides 100. This is how you will get the sale price of the of that sari, right? So this is 44, multiply from 100 take away 20, that is 80 over 100. Okay, simplify, 0 is cancel out with 0. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, right? So the simplified answer is, can say 44 multiply 4 by 5. Okay, let me do it. What is 44 times by 4? 4 times 4 is 16, 1 and 6. Again, 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. So 176 over 5. 176 divides 5. This is the sale price, but we need to figure out the sale price in terms of dollars, right? So we have to divide it. So here we can say 176 is inside, it goes to 5 times table, right? Okay, so 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, when you subtract from 7, take away 5 is 2 and 6. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract 1 is left, a decimal and a decimal, a 0, bring that 0 down. 5 times 2 is 10. When you subtract, that is equals to 0, right? So now here we can say the sale price is $35.02. That is the sale price of that sari after the reduction of 20%. Okay, now another question number 2. The price of a car was $5,400, but it was increased by 6%. What is the new price of the car? Okay, so to figure out the new price, here we can say the original price was 5,400, multiply 100, add, increase means add some percentage which is 6%, divide by 100. So you can see I use the same formula which I wrote in the beginning of this video, this same formula. this one, right? Okay, so let's figure out. So that is 5400 multiply 106 over 100. Okay, the two zeros cancel with these two zeros, so we are just left with 54 multiply 106. Let me do this multiplication. So 106, and it goes to 5 and 4 times table. First goes to 4 times table. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Put a 0. 5 times table. 5 times 3 6 is 30. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. 5 times 1 is 5. Add it. It's 4, 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 5. Okay, so the simplified answer is $5,724. Now this is the new price of the car when the price is increased by 6%. All right, let's practice another question. Number 3, the price of a small Persian rug was $245, but it has been reduced, means decreased by 30%. What is the new price of the rug? Okay, in order to figure out the new price of that rug, you can do the original price was $245 multiply 100. It's a reduction, so minus 30% divides 100. Okay, so this is 245 multiply from 100 take away 30, it's 70 over 100. Okay, so 0 goes with this 0, right? And here we can say we are left with 245 multiply 7 over 10. Okay, we can further simplify it. 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 4 is 20, and 5 times 9 is 45, right? Okay, so the simplified form would be 49 multiply 7 over 2. So let me do 49 times 7. 49 multiplied by 7. Okay, so 49 multiplied by 7. First we can do 7 times 9, which is 63. And then we can do 7 times 4 is 28. In 28, when you add 6 is 34. So 343. And then divide it by 2. Okay, so let me simplify this division as well. 343 and divide by 2. Okay, so it goes to 2 times table. 2 times 1 is 2, subtract 1 is left, bring the 4 down. 2 times 7 is 14. When you subtract, it's 0, bring the 3 down. 2 times 1 is 2, subtract 1 is left, put a decimal, a 0, bring the 0 down. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 is 10, subtract, it's just 0. So the simplified answer is $171.5. This is the new price of the rug after the reduction of 30%. Let's practice one more question, okay? A music shop offers 7% discount. Discount means decrease in the price for cash payment. How much does a cash paying customer pay for a CD advertiser at $9.50? Okay, so we need to figure out the new price, yeah, the new value, how much he has to pay, which is the old one was $9.50, multiply 100, it's a discount, so subtract 7%, divides 100. Okay, so it is 9.50 multiply when you do from 100, if you take away 7, it's just 93. So 93 over 100. So this is 950 over 100, or 93 over 100. I remove the decimal sign and convert the decimal into a fraction, right? Or you can do 0 is cancelled with 0. So this is just 9.5 multiply 0.93. Okay. Let me do the calculation. 9.5 multiply 0.93, that is 8.835. So $8.835. So in the exam, whenever you have the question in dollars, the answer must be up to two decimal place. So in exam, when you have any dollar value, should be rounded off to two decimal place. Okay, so keep this in mind. In the exam, whenever you have any dollar value, it should be rounded off to two decimal place. So this number is at the second decimal place, which is 3. The next digit is 5. So you add 1 in this 3, right? So the simplified answer in terms of dollars is $8.84. So this is the price that the cash paying customer pay for the CD advertised. I hope you understand how to do such type of questions, that whenever you have some increase and decrease a number by a certain percentage, so just use this simple formula and you can do all the questions, right? If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Take care.